Yeah, this was the slide that I want to show that you didn't see, where that I met with me, and then we started the conversation about what to do and how to bring that. And then a lot of conversation that we started with the Wall Street, and then we want to continue that here. And so I believe this will be a day to remember. And so now I come to my session, and so this is what we do. And because I was talking a lot during these days in Vancouver, and everyone asking, what do you do? And so these are the key things that we are building different global digital economy hub as our incubation brand, and we provide global leadership, and we have this global digital economy leadership committee and council, and provide them with a lot of thought leadership, and we have also the connected community. So far, that's we have a lot of Beijing hub and Shanghai hub, Copenhagen hub, and different hubs. All the hubs really just build the local ecosystem. Then we work with a lot of investors to just co-invest in different deals. And then we also provide a co-working space where that incubators can just build their solution and strengthen each other. So this is exactly what we offer, our approach. We combine the community incubator with our frontier venture fund, then with the partner venture funds and hedge funds. So this is our ecosystem, and we call ourselves as a strategic investor. We only just invest in those which we can bring value. And so our approach, these are our exactly, our focus, and then we only invest in 3 types of deals. One is, the blockchain infrastructure and the ledgers, and we also invest in protocol. And lastly, that's we invest in the most important application, and which now mainly in 3 sectors, and healthcare, energy, and also financial service. And here are a number of use cases that we see powerful or impactful in the future, including cryptocurrency, digital identity, digital assets, smart contract, mobile payment, and also traceability issues. And I have a lot of potential portfolios, and we are launching our global Digital X 100 acceleration program within 3 months. That we give you $100,000 with our acceleration program with some capital. Then we help you, if you are launching ICO, we help you to finish ICO. And if you finish ICO, we help you to just build your first MVP. If you finish that, we also help you to build your pilots. If you are interested in other market, we are doing that. So this is, many companies that as the candidate for our next acceleration program, that they really lie in different areas, different sectors. And to help them, that we serve them, we want them to be successful. So that's why we launched the Decentral News Network, which will be the first global blockchain TV network. And we really have a TV channel on blockchain, and we'll have blockchain news, blockchain talk shows, and blockchain TV challenge. And so all this that we really just want to help the blockchain company to be successful. And so far we have around 500 hours of content. And by August 1st, that we are launching the TV network, and then we're happy to work with you. And within our main offers, that you can see that we so far have 3 million audience who have access to our blockchain TV, and we also have our exclusive blockchain network. And so far that more than 1,000 blockchain experts globally are in our news network. And we have the media, we have a lot of expertise, and which will just bring this to the market. And this is one example that our Blockchain Million show, and we featured a lot of world-leading blockchain experts and their top blockchain companies, and all of them just are very successful so far. I would like to invite many of you to our next events, and I want to highlight a few. on June the 15th and 16th, we'll launch the North Carolina Blockchain Digital Economy Hub in Raleigh, and welcome to join us there. And then we'll go to Portugal for the Portugal Angel Capital Summit to launch our Lisbon Digital Economy Hub. And then we'll just move to Astana in Kazakhstan in early July to launch our Astana Digital Economy Hub. And after that, so we have our Token Sky Summit and also Linko Cruise. Linko Cruise is really cool. That's from August 8th to August 15th. That's we'll just go from Shanghai to Japan, then back to Japan, and it's a blockchain cruise. You cannot leave. You have to talk blockchain for 5 days, non-stop. You will find a lot of investors. You will find a lot of interesting deals. And after that, we have another event. It's called the DC Blockchain Week. From September 8th to September 15th, that's during the whole week that we have summits. We have a lot of events organized by the partners. So week-long in DC, and you don't need to fly to any other continent. Go there, enjoy the events. So this is, some reflection of our early events. We are different from other organizations that we don't have this commercial value as our real mission. Our mission is, by 2020, we bring positive impact to 1 million people through blockchain and fintech. Thank you very much.